Assalamu alaikum, dear students. As physics topic is triangles, exercise 7.4. Question number first. Show that in a right angled triangle the hypotenuse is the longest side. Prove karun as right angled triangle means hypotenuse is longest side. Right angled triangle se pata yat angle is 90 degree. इसका solution देखते हैं. Let ABC be a right angled triangle. Let ABC be a right angled triangle. Right angled at B. Right angle at B. Prove क्या is करूँ S1 से AC. Yes, AC is hypotenuse. Yes, is longest side. To prove AC, the hypotenuse is the longest side. In right angled triangle ABC, in right angled triangle ABC, as pata sum of all the three angles of a triangle, that is equal to 180. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C, yes, is barabar asan 180 degree. Equation equation first. But angle B is already pata is 90 degree. The angle A plus 90 degree plus angle C, yes, goes barabar 180 degree. Till have it for angle A plus angle C, yes, goes barabar 180 degree minus number degree, that is equal to 90 degree. Yes, equation is now equation third. Therefore angle A plus angle C, yes, is barabar 90 degree. But till have it first angle B, yes, is still greater than angle A. Similarly, angle B is greater than angle C. As pata, you say greater angles, both angles side opposite longest side. Go angle B is opposite side AC. Yes, sir, still longest side. As we know, greater angle has a longer side opposite to it. You say AC still. For AC, yes, is greater than AB. AB similarly, AC is greater than BC. From this, we prove that AC yes, is the longest side. Therefore, in other words, angle B being the greatest angle as the longest side AC opposite to it, or in other words can say AC is the hypotenuse. Question number second. In figure, figure first. AB and AC, AB to AC, yes, is extend up points P and Q. Take basis already angle PBC, key angle PBC is less than angle QBC. Angle QCB and QCB is greater than PBC. As prove करन AC is greater than AB. Solution is angle ABC angle plus angle PBC is linear pair of angles. तो हम लिख सकते हैं angle ABC plus angle PBC, that is equal to 180. तो वार से नहीं बना linear pair of angles तो लिखे थे linear pair. Similarly, angle ACB, ये angle ACB plus angle QCB ये कैसे गए आसन तिल बराबर 180 या equation था ना इस equation first. Similarly, angle ACB plus angle QCB, that is equal to 180. That था ना equation second each linear pair. Linear pair angles. Take from equation first and second. Then how is it for from equation first and second. This how लिखे angle ABC plus angle PBC. Yes, is still बराबर angle ACB plus angle QCB. ठीक. But as already question seems angle PBC. Yes, is less than angle. It is less than angle QBC. PBC yes is less than angle QCB. ठीक. Then how is लिखे ABC so say angle C yes is still greater than ACB. From this we conclude that angle ABC yes is greater than angle ACB. ठीक. Now in triangle ABC. Now in triangle ABC. Angle ABC yes is greater than angle ACB. Angle ABC greater than angle ACB. Then how is लिखे ACS is greater than AB. Because side opposite to great triangle is the longest, is longer. क्योंकि angle B board angle as compared to angle C को तो less गैस आसन AC या से गैस on this side या से गैस longer than should be longer than AB. AC ऐसे गैस board आसन AB निश.